Shannon, your host of In the Kitchen on STL TV. Once again, we're cooking things up in the Hochman kitchen for the time being. So this recipe I'm gonna make is really yummy. You've all heard of eggs Florentine, right? Guess what? We're making eggs quarantine. All right, so check out the video and enjoy. Full. My absolute favorite spices, you've got to include these. Oh yeah, straight out of the hill. Thanks, Vivianos. Let's get some basil up in here. Oh, yummy, yum, yum. Oh my gosh, I can smell it already. Just for the eggy goodness. Let's do this. As you can see, I have torn up provolone and cheddar because I do not have shredded. It's what we call improv, but trust me, it's going to taste delicious. We'll see you in the morning. Ooh, yummy. Gosh dang it. Good. Okay, Benjamin's going to try this yummy egg casserole we prepped yesterday. Benny likes it. All right, that's going to do it for this episode of STL TV's In the Kitchen. Give STL TV a follow. We are all over Facebook, Instagram, and of course YouTube. That's where you can catch full episodes of all the good stuff that we are cranking out these days. So guys, stay home, stay safe, and stay creative in the kitchen. We'll see you next time.